is my new gag. I mean, action.
Hi. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. This is Aurora and
Joshi!
And today we are literally mixing things up. Today we are in the kitchen. Can you tell them about the kitchen?
I just found it earlier today.
Today we are making waffles and
bacon in a nice,
oh my god,
Le Creuset frying pan. There's bacon in there. It's growing, it's cooking. I don't know how things work in the kitchen. We'll start with this many bacons. We're starting out with this many bacons. Pepper, thick cut. There's hot oil jumping onto my back. You can feel it. Never seen anybody stir a waffle mix like that.
Now while we wait for the waffles to cook, we're just gonna be all cute. I'm gonna be teaching you guys also how to make a homemade like chocolate peanut butter syrup because I love peanut butter and I love chocolate. So you will just need a nut butter of your choice and hazelnut spread. You will also need a little microwave safe glass dish for this because we're going to be putting these in the microwave. Scoop out some peanut butter. Yeah, give me that nut butter.
It's nice to have a man around the house for people with long nails.
So after you have your peanut butter in a little jar that is microwave safe, we're going to do the same thing with the hazelnut. Get up in there. Oh yeah, that's good. Where did it go? Did I get in my hair?
Oh my god, I hope not.
Well, will you cut?
Let me see. Crisis averted, you guys. There's no nut butter in her hair.
Here you have your mix of peanut butter and hazelnut. I did like 2 things peanut butter and 3 scoops of...
Things is a very precise measurement.
Just get however much peanut butter to hazelnut spread you want in a jar. Microwave it for like 15 to 25 seconds. I got this far and now I have waffle mix in my gloves. Seriously? These were expensive gloves. You just want to mix that up really well. Make sure to get the corners. A lot of the peanut butter likes to stick to it. Oh my god, that was way too much.
That was way too much oil.
There are measurements, Josh. That is not right. Don't let straight men in the kitchen and cook. Unless they are a professional cook, don't let them cook. Because this is not waffle mix.
No, it is. It's totally waffle mix. I just used waffle mix.
Okay.
Can't put bacon in that shit. Yeah, look at it. Yeah. So you gotta get the whisk going.
Did you get this? No.
What? Yeah, put water in. You let that shit record. I'm making something delicious. Who doesn't want a bacon pancake waffle right now? With the bacon baked right in. It's made right into it. In the shape of a Millennium Falcon. Boy, you guys are in for a treat.
This is our first waffle that we made. It is perfect in Josh's opinion. Actually, I want to try a bite of this on camera.
How is it? Is it delicious? Did you try it?
No, you try it.
No, you try it first. This is yours.
Eat it.
It's pretty fucking good, you guys.
Taste test number 2.
Is it good?
So we just finished making our waffles and bacon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to watch more, make sure to hit that thumbs up, like the video,
Share it.
share it, subscribe. If you guys want to see us make anything particular, like let's say ramen or like
whatever you want. We're really good at potatoes.
Yep.
We can make any number of things. We have a whole kitchen. I just found it.
And so we'll be doing a lot more of these if we get enough suggestions, likes,
that's what we're doing.
comments.
Thank you for hanging out.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.